Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you about a project to prevent load from over voltage protection. Okay, first of all, I'll show as a battery here as a power source and I need a zener diode here. Now we mirror this and now we need a relay here. We need a green LED to see the performance. To prevent load from over voltage, we must to be connect to this terminal here. Okay, now we set our limit on 10 volt. This will prevent our load about more than 14.5 volt. Okay. Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you about your high voltage load protection system. For this system, we set a battery here. We need a relay and we also need a generator here. We mirrored them and now connecting through battery. This will prevent your load from over voltage. So now we are connecting from this terminal here. We set our relay voltage to 5 volt and now we set a LED here. To prevent our load on 14.5 volt, we just use here 10 volt Zener diode. And now we can see here that if the voltage is more than less than 12 less than 14.5 volt, our LED is going to run. And if our voltage is around 14 volt, then also our system will be accurately run. And if the voltage is slightly higher than 14 volt, that's 14.5 volt here. So our system are being open here, but this system is showing that green LED is running. This is a simulation fault here. You can see here that our terminal has been opened. So thank you.